Hi guys, this is Zoe from StepGuard. Everyone knows the right accessories is half the job, so here we are to show you how to take your wall panels installation to the next level. In our collection, we offer two types of materials for our accessories: durable PVC and sleek aluminum alloy in both black and silver colors. These options allow you to customize your space exactly the way you want. Let's dive into our four main accessories. First, we have the end cap. This is perfect for starting or finishing a straight run of panels, giving you a clean and polished edge. Next, we have the internal corner profile. This accessory is designed to give a smooth internal curve to the joint, making your corners look seamless and professional. Then there's the external corner. Use this to hide the position where two wall panels meet on an outside corner, creating a neat and tidy look. Finally, we have the H-joint trim. This versatile accessory is designed to connect panels that don't have a click system, or you can use it as a decorative trim to add a stylish touch. With these accessories, you are easy to meet any demands from your customers. Do you have other questions? Let us know.